I'm Aaron. This is Taylor.
Hello and welcome. We were trying to decide. Hello, fish people.
We are going.
Life people. Animal people. Plant people. All kinds of people. Hobbyists. Welcome, hobbyists.
Today we are going to be putting together a mixed dirted planted tank.
But before we do that, the reason we are doing it is we have an unboxing because I went on a spending spree, which I definitely shouldn't have done. But when I heard that Dustin had Madagascar lace plants from Dustin's fish tank people, I definitely had to jump on it and buy it before it ran out, which definitely did not agree with my bank account or rent. But we are going to do a quick unboxing for you from Dustin's fish tanks, just to say a quick thank you. I cannot wait. Clearly, I opened it and then I thought, let's make a video, our first video. And I roped him into doing this with me. I also have other plants that we're going to add to, was our 20 gallon?
Yes.
Our fifth 20 gallon.
Many tanks.
Hopefully more tanks. And those aren't from Dustin, those are from our local fish store,
Elliot's for Pets.
Elliot's for Pets, which if you are in the area, you should check out. So, newspaper. Typical. Oh, I got some fertilizer, so excited to use this. I was just ran out of fertilizer, so that will be fun. The plants will love it. That's okay. You're right, gentle. Got too excited. Plant is very sensitive. We are new hobbyists to the aquarium. Fish keeping, freshwater. We haven't started saltwater because I feel like I would want everything and that's just a bottomless pit. So we're just keeping to freshwater, which isn't really working out because I want everything still. And we've done it for how long?
Like 6 months.
6 months.
6 months.
6 months. 6 months, and we have 5 tanks. 6 tanks.
6 tanks. 4, soon to be 4 20-gallon tanks.
I got a little ahead of
10-gallon
myself.
tank. And the original, I think 3.7-gallon tank. And this is a Madagascar lace
It
plant.
took so much energy not to just rip that open. Yes, he's right. This is a Madagascar lace plant on my bucket list of plants that I wanted. This plant gets most of its nutrients from its roots, which is why we're doing a dirty tank. We've never done a dirty tank, but it's about time because look behind us. We love plants. These are just our indoor plants. I actually did inventory of our plants yesterday, and I have to definitely stop buying plants. Way too many plants. Way too many plants.
Only if you can't take care of them. Only if you can't take care of them.
I'm gonna say that back to you when you're like, Taylor, no, my plants.
Or actually afford them.
But we can. Okay, well, I don't know if we can afford them right
You
now.
can afford them, they take care of it. That's not too many.
So, the packaging is to keep it moist. It doesn't dry out. It is wrapped in a paper towel. It looks so beautiful. There's even a little purple in it.
It does look amazing.
It is big. This is everything my dreams are made of. I've been dreaming of this plant. Oh, that's cute! Dustin! I will see it in my dreams.
Wrap the.
Did you want to see it?
I was looking at it.
You were looking at it? Okay. I'm going to put it back so it's safe.
Wrap the
We're
good
gonna wrap it.
side.
Okay, I'm gonna hand it to you so you can wrap it. So we got. I only ordered one, but Dustin is a fucking angel. No, I'm gonna hand it to you like this.
You
Ah,
can hand me the box.
I'm just gonna hand you the
That
box.
works.
Dustin's an angel, or God, who knows? Because he made fertilizer. That apparently a miracle. It is. We'll
Get
see.
the soil.
Okay, so that I only bought one Madagascar at least from him, and I did buy a bulb, which I haven't pulled out yet, but maybe that's what that is.
And finally, here we have our Madagascar lace plants. One full plant, well, not quite full, but getting there, and a bulb or adolescent. They get quite big actually, and they are from Africa, I believe. Yeah, the coast of Africa. They have holes because they're usually in a high streams, which lets water to flow through. They tend to like temperatures around the 70s, and lots of nutrients, lots of light too. Just wanted to show you that before we actually put it in the tank. It is a bulb, like I said before, and it needs lots and lots and lots of nutrients. It's where it gets all its growth from. Alright, we'll see you in the tank.
That was an adventure. Thank you for joining us on it. Just again, my name is Taylor. This is Erin. This is our tank that we just set up, dirted, with lots of plants in it. Hopefully in the morning you'll be able to actually see it, and we'll give you an update on that as the water clears up. But in the meantime, thank you for joining us on our first unboxing and first video and aquatic experience. See you next time.